Welcome to SentryOne. In this video, we will discuss the impact analysis functionality within xPress. Impact analysis can be best seen within the lineage analysis feature in xPress. In many instances, developers may not be able to determine what objects their changes will affect in a solution. This is where the power of impact analysis comes in. To begin assessing the impact that making changes will have within our solution, you will want to do the following. Click on the Lineage Analysis tile from the Feature Finder, select and open the solution that you wish to analyze, and select an item from the Object Explorer that you would like more information about. I will now change to a high detail level to begin looking into one of the functions within my selected database. Next, I will change the refinements to include only the object links. I will then change the direction to inbound only as shown here. I will now change the dependency levels to show the different objects that will be affected by making changes to this function. Another example of this is if you would like to change the data type for a column. You can find out what loading mechanism would need to be changed by changing the refinements to data lineage and setting the direction to inbound only. A final example of this is if you would like to see the downstream objects that changes to the data type of this column would affect, you will keep the refinements set to data lineage and set the direction to outbound only. As you can see, this functionality allows you to very quickly see every object that is dependent on the objects you are changing, as well as what changes you may need to make for loading these objects. This allows you to head off problems prior to making changes that may otherwise affect your solution. If you have any questions about this information, or you would like further assistance, please navigate to our support website at support.sentryon.com. Thanks for watching.